To authorize WorldPay direct integration, you need to follow a series of steps to ensure a seamless payment process. First, you need to register for a WorldPay account and obtain your client ID and client secret, which are unique identifiers used for authentication. Next, you need to choose the type of integration you want to use, either server-to-server or client-side integration. Server-to-server integration is more secure as it keeps sensitive information on your server, while client-side integration is more flexible but less secure. You then need to set up a payment form on your website that collects customer information such as name and credit card details. The payment form should be secure and comply with payment card industry data security standards. After setting up the payment form, you need to redirect the customer to WorldPay to authorize the payment. This is done by sending a request to the WorldPay API with the customer information and payment details. You should also handle the response from WorldPay, which includes the outcome of the payment request. If the payment is successful, you should update your database and send a confirmation to the customer. If the payment fails, you should display an error message and prompt the customer to try again. It is also important to ensure that your integration is secure and compliant with industry standards. This includes using secure protocols such as HTTPS and encrypting sensitive information. To test your integration, you should use the WorldPay test environment to simulate different payment scenarios. This will help you identify and fix any issues before going live. In conclusion, authorizing WorldPay direct integration requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a secure and seamless payment process for your customers. Remember to always prioritize security and compliance when handling sensitive customer information.